ये है रेडियो मानो 90.0 FM। चलो बात करके देखते हैं।
Let's listen to Chronicles of the Past.
आदाब दोस्तों, this is Radio Manu 90.0 FM. I'm your host and RJ Himanjali, welcoming all of you to today's segment of Chronicles of the Past, where I bring for you facts and events of significance that have taken place on the same dates in history. Today is the 25th of July and the facts are as follows. Firstly, on July 25th in the year 2007, Pratibha Patil was sworn in as the President of India, becoming the first woman to hold the office. Her election marked a historic milestone in Indian politics, symbolizing progress towards greater gender equality and inspiring women across the nation. On this very day, Constantine I was proclaimed Roman Emperor. His reign transformed the Roman Empire politically and culturally, and he later became the first emperor to give imperial support to Christianity, paving the way for its spread throughout the empire. On July 25th in the year 1978, Louis Brown was born in England as the world's first baby conceived through in vitro fertilization or IVF. Her birth marked a groundbreaking moment in medical history, opening new possibilities for couples facing infertility and revolutionizing reproductive science. And lastly, on this very day in the year 1984, Soviet cosmonaut Svetlana Savitskaya became the first woman to walk in space during the Soyuz T-12 mission at the Salyut 7 space station. She spent 3.5 hours outside the spacecraft, testing tools and performing experiments. She was also the second woman ever in space and the first woman to travel to space twice, marking a significant milestone in the history of human space exploration. That's all, dear listeners, for today's segment of Chronicles of the Past. I'm your host and RJ Himanjali signing off. But before I go, I'd like to ask all of you to please be more considerate to the specially abled persons around you. I'll be back with more interesting facts, events and discussions. Till then, please stay tuned to Radio Manu 90.0 FM. चलो बात करके देखते हैं।
आप सुन रहे थे Chronicles of the Past.